Right there is the remote, and in order to replace the battery for it, notice behind the remote there is that slider. We would have to lift it upside and then take out the key from the remote. Just like that, the key is taken out. We'll keep the key aside and notice there is that position right there. I'll be using a straight head screwdriver like that. We'll punch in the screwdriver in the spot where we took out the key from and then slightly lift it upwards. Once you notice we have made a little room in the middle, then we will punch in the screwdriver in the middle and then slightly rotate the screwdriver. Just like that, the cover loses its grip. Keeping in mind before pulling it out, we keep the button portion at the bottom and then we take out the top cover from upside. There's the battery with the top cover, and we will keep aside the bottom portion. Now to take out the battery from the top cover, we'll punch in the same tool on the edge to pull out the battery. There it is. That is how we take out the battery for this remote. And notice it is a CR2032 type battery. In my case, the battery is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new battery and you want to install it back, notice on the cover there is a plus sign right there. And then the same plus sign on the battery needs to stay down like that. Now we'll go ahead and slide in the battery on the cover. Once the battery is in place, now we will go ahead and punch in the cover where we took it out from. Notice the cover that has Hyundai logo on it, we will put that cover on top. We'll make sure both the covers are leveled properly from both sides. Once leveled properly, then we press both the covers to install them firm and strong. After making sure all the sides are completely in place, then we will go ahead and slide in the key. Just like that. With that, we are done with the replacement of battery for this remote. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.